The first one I would like to discuss here is the fact that you can take models from all different trades and combine them into that one file in the form of a consolidated model, like you just saw in the software. So there was an FBX and an RVT in that example. So the beauty of this is that you could have the architects and MEP engineers providing Revit models, the civil engineer working in AutoCAD Civil 3D, the structural engineers working in advanced steel, and maybe you have HVAC or other manufacturer on board providing Inventor files. That is just one example, but you can see on the screen a short list of some of the common file types that are supported. I think the list is growing. This might be out of date, so the list keeps growing and growing. And you might notice that there are many on here that are not even created from Autodesk design applications. So while you are looking this list over, the fact that you can create a consolidated model from all different kinds of file formats is actually a really big deal. For example, if I was working in, let's say, AutoCAD or another predominantly 2D application, it might be hard or impossible for me to import or XREF a Revit or other 3D model.